For international harvester fans, the sight of Case IH's latest Axial Flow 7150 combine harvester will no doubt evoke some nostalgia and fond memories. Displayed at the recent Wimmera Machinery Field Days, the combine sported a retro paint job reminiscent of the vintage Axial Flow units, complete with a white roof, white tire rims, and the classic IH decal up on the grain tank. The machine is a limited edition model, which means customers will need to get in quick should they wish to get their hands on one.
It's basically a 1-year production run, and we're likely to see somewhere around the 20 to 25 units. So for those old IH fans that want something a little bit special, it really fits the bill for that.
The idea for the retro machine came about in 2017 when the Case IH Australia team decided to paint an existing combine in its retro colours in celebration of the Axial Flow's 40th anniversary. The machine was displayed at the Equip 2017 Field Days and received tremendous response from visitors at the show, as well as on social media, where pictures of the machine spread rapidly. So much so that Case IH HQ in the United States picked up on the idea and decided to turn it into real production units customers can actually buy and own.
It does make me quite proud to sort of stand here today at Wimmera and say, you know, here it is, but knowing full well that, you know, we've done the hard work beforehand to actually bring it through here. And although it looks like an old machine, it still has a lot of technology and encapsulated in underneath the machine. All of them come auto steer ready, they all yield and moisture mapping complete.
Although there are other models in the range, Case IH Australia will only be introducing the 7150 model with 375 horsepower into the country for now.
If I look from here and open up the sides, we can see our cross-flow cleaning system. We have here, which allows us to maintain consistency on our cleaning system even when we're driving on the side of hills. What it does is it changes the shaking geometry to ensure that the material stays consistently loaded all the way across the cleaning system. We have some new clean out doors that make cleaning out the machine very easy. There's no need to climb underneath the machine at all, just a simple pull out there.
A spacious and comfortable cab completes the impressive package.
All of these limited edition units come with a ventilated leather seat, great legroom in there. All of the units have LED distance lights as standard, HID lights in the roof. So a very good lighting package coming as standard on the machine. One of the great things about Axial Flow, it's always been about simplicity, you know, minimising the amount of moving parts, keeping it nice and simple, and just providing a good output, you know, whether it be grain quality and grain savings, along with that simplicity.
Pricing for the Axial Flow 7150 combine starts from $610,000 plus GST.